Okay, we're going to look at the last parallel reason, cointerior angles. Now, if you have two sets of lines and a line that cuts across them, these two angles on the inside of the two lines are called cointerior. But if these two lines are parallel, then something special happens. Angle A, when you add it to angle B, it adds up to 180 degrees, just like the angles in a triangle, just like the angles in a line. They add up to 180 degrees. And this picture over here actually is kind of showing you why it's true. Because you know that this straight line here adds up to 180 degrees. So angle B plus this angle here must be 180 degrees. But from before, when we have parallel lines, these two angles here, these two angles here are called corresponding angles because they're both in the top right-hand corner of where these lines cross. They're in the same position. They must be equal. Well, hey, if this A plus angle B equals 180 degrees, and these are equal, then it's making sense why the angles inside parallel lines must sum to 180 degrees. When you use this reason, here's the shorthand. Cointerior angles, and AB is parallel to CD. Make sure you state the lines that are parallel, otherwise it's no good. You need to say what lines are parallel because that's what's making it work. The two angles inside the parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. And they do on both sides too. So this angle here and this angle here sum to 180. But on the other side, the angle that's formed on the other side, this one and this one, they must add up. They're co-interior angles. They must add up to 180 degrees. And we have a whole bunch of exercises. You can pause the video, take a look at them, and try them. And what I want you to do now, the theme of this is co-interior angles. So the first angle you figure out, go X, and then use the reason co-interior angles. We're going to do it in alphabetical order again. But now look, you notice here all our reasons, the different reasons, our toolbox is growing. We've got more and more things we can do. So the first one will be co-interior angles. I hope you can see it. But the next one, you could use, like here, you can see this is a straight line. Also, maybe you know when you have parallel lines, these two are called alternate angles. So you'll have some different options to find out Y and Z. But for X each time, for figuring out X each time, you need to use co-interior angles to get the first one. And then you have to pick another reason to find the other ones. But we've got more and more reasons now. Our toolbox is getting stronger. We got three parallel reasons now, and four more other reasons there. We got a lot of reasons. I hope this helps. Okay.